What profit can you get from investing? Welcome to the first investing course. Let's take a quick introduction to help you get started. With the ever-evolving modern society, many people are on continuous search for opportunities to increase their earnings and passive income. There are different approaches to this. Some work 24/7, some rent out their real estate, and others work as freelancers or start their own businesses. We want to introduce you to another activity by utilizing the appropriate approach and investing time and effort. It can yield significant profits. We will talk about trading and investing in stocks. Imagine it's 2000, eager to grow your wealth. You invest $100,000 in an emerging tech company, Nvidia. With 800 shares at $1.25 each, your journey begins. Fast forward to today, your Nvidia shares have skyrocketed, now worth over 365 times more, meaning you have $365,000 plus fortune. Not bad, right? And this is just one example. Here we can see how buying companies' shares lets investors grow and profit with it. The number of your shares hasn't changed, but their value has multiplied. But is it necessary to start with $1,000? What if you start with $10? Now let's imagine it's 2010, you invested $10 in Bitcoin. Buying 33 shares instead of a cafe visit. What would that amount to in 2023? Fast forward to 2023, each Bitcoin is worth about $35,000. Owning 33, your investment is now $1 million. Just $10 could make you a millionaire. I really wish I hadn't missed those shares. No worries, history tends to repeat itself, especially in the investment world. Now I have a small question for you. You need $100,000 to start investing. Is it true or false? Obviously, it's false. You don't even need $100 to start investing. It's a common misconception that a large initial investment is needed to start investing. As shown in the course, even a small amount can be invested. Before you start investing, it's important to keep in mind that all investments come with risks. And to minimize them, you need knowledge. Strategy over luck. With knowledge, investing becomes a calculated decision rather than a gamble, so education is the best tool against investment risks. The best investment you can make is in yourself, Warren Buffett, a testament to the power of learning. Knowledge and understanding of the market can significantly reduce the risks associated with investing. Here, we finish our lesson by understanding that every journey begins with a single step. In our courses, we'll guide you through the art of fading with minimal risks and maximum profitability. Let's take this enlightening journey together and explore the world of profitable investing.